Hello, this is NAVIFORCE unboxing time again. Today I will bring you it's something different. Now let's open the box to have the watch I will bring you today. Wow, this is our new line of the stainless steel automatic mechanical watch. First we can see there's a very nice box. And here we can find it's the guarantee card of our NAVIFORCE, and then it's the manual book for this watch. And then we can see this is a very high quality and nice box. If you buy this watch, we will give you this beautiful boxing. And if you want to buy a high quality gift for your friends or for your family persons, this is a very nice choice, I think. Okay, welcome back to the detailed data about this watch. I will introduce you now. Okay. Here we got it's a full stainless steel automatic mechanical watch. We can see there are 3 windows on the dial, and there are 2 textured patterns combined to make this dial. And these 2 small windows on the 3 o'clock, it's the 12 and 24-hour window display here. And the small window on the 9 o'clock position is the weekly window. Now we can see the hand is point to the SUN, means it's the Sunday, to point to the Sunday. And this is a 3 hands watch. The hour, minutes, and the second hands. And the bigger window on 6 o'clock position is the hollow design. We can see the balance wheels working inside. And when you take the watch on the wrist and swinging your wrist, the balance wheel inside will working and provide the watch with the power. Okay, now also we can find we have the strong luminance on the hands and the indices. It's very strong luminance. When in the darkness, you can read the time very easily. And the small window on top of clock position is the date window, and we can use this small button to adjust the date and use the crown to adjust the time display. Now use this button to make the date increase. Okay, as I say, this time we use a very high quality of the 304 stainless steel to make all this watch, the case and the band. We have a very high quality and luster colors on this band. Wow, the hand feeling is so good. The hand feeling, I love it. And on the back case, we also can see inside with a transparency the back case. We can swing in your hands, then the balance on the back will working. Okay, then it's the buckle. Let's put down the protection about the buckle here. Yes, it's very nice stainless steel. And then we can press this side buckle button to open the buckle. And now here is the watch on my wrist. Is it very nice? Okay, actually this model NFS1001 we got 4 colors. Later I will show them all to you. Okay, welcome back. Just now I have shown you this model NFS1001, the blue color. Now this watch we have 4 colors. I will show you the last one. Here it's a black combined the silver dial colors. All the dial except the small window accessory position is all the silver. And also we can see the very nice luster band. These are the full stainless steel made of 304 stainless steel. And this color is very simple. It's suitable for the business style, I think. The 2 colors combine here. Okay. The next color is a black dial color. The dial is black and the back shell is black too. But the strap is also silver. It's a very nice and bright color. Very smooth hand feeling. The crown and the button. And we can see clearly the movement is working inside and the balance wheel is working every second. The next color is the final one. It's a full black one. And the band is black color too. Also, the case is made of black combined the rose gold color. And also we can find on the left side here, we can find a small button here. This button is for adjusting the date window. And this button is for adjust the date. The black one, I can wear it to try it one. Okay, this is all colors for this model. If you want to buy any of them, you can go to our official store to buy it. Okay, if you have any question, we welcome you to leave your message here. Okay, this is all for today. If you want to know other models, please leave a message to let me know. I will show you the video next time. Okay, bye.